Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Cochin Shipyard Limited (CSL). Okay, the Government of India Enterprise a Miniratna Schedule A company under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Okay, here when you will go to the official website of coachinshipyard.in, here you can see the students. One latest recruitment is here. This is e-recruitment for the permanent post. What is this? Vacancy notification, selection of executive trainees for CSL. Last date for applying will be 6 January 2025. When you will click here, okay, you can see the detailed advertisement. So let's check it out. So first of all, it's updated on the 6th December, okay, and 4th December. 4th December 2024, here they invites online application from the young professional for filling up the post of executive trainees in the following discipline, which are the vacancies. Let's check it out. For mechanical, electrical, electronics, naval, civil. So what is requirement? Degree in mechanical with minimum 65% marks. Degree in electrical means BE Tech. In electrical with minimum 65% marks. Similarly in electronics, in naval architecture, in civil engineering also. And then they are having some information technology essential qualifications, degree in engineering in computer science with minimum of 65% marks from a recognized university, okay, or a degree in engineering in information technology with minimum 65% marks. So they mention here for the information technology means CS or IT BE BTech students having minimum 65% marks, so they are eligible. Okay, then HR also is there. So what is there? Then the finance is also there. Okay, so important date commencement of online application started already from the 6th December yesterday. Last date will be 6th January 2025, dear students. They mention here the number of vacancies and reservation. Executive trainee mechanical, number of vacancies are 20, category wise division mentioned. In electrical 4, in electronics 2, in the naval architecture 6, in civil 3, in information technology 2. So total number of vacancies are 44, which include HR and finance also. Okay, the post name is executive trainee and this is a permanent job. They mention here the posting of executive trainee shall be at the CSL Kochi, CMSRU, Mumbai. So they mention here you can place at the Kochi, Mumbai or Kolkata or Andaman and Nicobar Island also. Okay, and name of the post they mention here already. What is the recruitment process? Now compensation and benefits, place of posting also. The candidate selected as executive trainee will have to undergo 1 year training. During the training, which the trainee will be paid a consolidated monthly amount of stipend of rupees 50,000. If required, the trainee would be retained for extra hours of training on closed holidays, and in such case would be paid an additional stipend limited to a maximum of 3,000 per month. Okay, on successful completion of 1 year training, the executive trainee shall be considered for the appointment as assistant manager. Right now, in the for the 1 year, you will have the post of executive trainee, and after that, you will get the assistant manager in E1 grade in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Okay, in that one, all the allowances, basic pay allowances, and 18% of HRA, all the things you will get here. I think they mentioned some, yeah, here. So in that case, basic pay will be 40,000, DA 19,000, HRA 7,200, or perks and allowances 14,000. So total amount will be 80,280. So we can say the annual CTC will be for the E1 scale will be 14 lakh approximately, dear students. So surely this is a very good opportunity. Okay, age they mention here, maximum upper age limit should be 27 year as on the 6th January 2025, dear students. Yeah, they are having some relaxation in the age also, you can see now, but this recruitment is not with the help of the gate exam. They are having their own written test. So let's check it out. So the selection process comprised of two phases. Phase 1, objective type online test, 60 marks. The online test shall be of 60 minutes duration, comprising of 60 multiple choice question. In the areas of general awareness, 5 marks, English language, 5 marks, numerical abilities, 5 marks, reasoning ability, 5 marks, subject based. Okay, means if you are from mechanical, so they will ask you some questions from the mechanical of 40 marks. Okay, each question carry 1 mark and there will be no negative marking. phase 1. So who clear in the phase 1, I think they will call for the phase 2. Phase 2 will be group discussion, GD, written writing skill and personal interview, that is of 40 marks. All right. So marks are assigned. They are having the parameter objective type online test 60 marks, group discussion 10, writing skill 10 and personal interview 20. So then you will have total 100 marks, dear students. Okay. The phase 1 online test shall be held at the various test center in the Kerala. They clearly mention here, and decided by the CSL, and test center shall be allotted based on the number of online applications. Applicants have the option to choose test center in Kerala for phase 1 objective type online test. While completing the online application, the phase 2 shall be held at the CSL Kochi only. Okay. So then this is the what minimum marks required for the unreserved and EWS category. 50% of the total marks of each test required. For OBC 45%, SC/ST 40%, PWBD 40%. Okay. They mention candidate who scored the minimum pass marks and above shall be shortlisted for the certificate verification. So this is combinedly both. Okay, togetherly you should have the marks. Okay, only those candidates who successfully completed the certificate verification shall be allowed to attend the phase 2 exam. Okay, and they mention more details also. You can check it out, dear students. Some conditions mention applicants. What you need to follow: qualification, as I already told you, BE Tech is required. But in the mechanical category, if you are having industrial production, industrial engineering, mechanical production engineering, so you are also eligible discipline. Okay, similarly they mentioned for the in electrical, to electrical and electronics students, in electronics, applied electronics, all these branches are eligible, and in naval also they mention here. Okay, service agreement will be there, documents which you need to upload they mention here. Now application fees of rupees 1000 non-refundable plus bank charges extra should be remitted using the online payment options. Online payment is also there. You can pay the fees using debit card, credit card, internet banking, wallets or UPI. Okay, up to the 6th, from the 6th December to the 6th January 2025, no other mode of payment. Applicants belonging to scheduled caste SC/ST need not pay the application fee. So if you are from SC/ST category, then you are exempted from this one. Okay, clear? Okay. To applicants whom the fees is applicable, you need to check this detail, what you need to pay, how to apply. Yeah, this is the official website, as I show you earlier also. This is the official website. Here in the career section you can see the option. Okay, click here to apply for the post. They are showing you the link also. When you will click here, you can apply. You need to fill the details, whatever is asking. Okay, so the more general instructions mentioned, you can check it out, dear students. I'm repeating one last time. The last date is 6th January 2025. It's already started from the 6th December, and last date will be 6th January. For more details, you can check this official website and you can fill the form according to your requirement. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.